Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video we are going to make these paper rose flowers. So tear a paper, fold it and make 16 such pieces. Now we are going to make the petals. So curve it from its side, bend it and your petals are ready. Now we are going to paste all the paper one after another on this white stick. Now we are going to fold it and start pasting it like this. You can use a glue like this. After that your rose flowers are ready. We're going to make this beautiful mini rose bouquet. So let's get started. First we are going to make the rose flowers. So cut these red strip of paper. Now hold it from one side, roll it and twist it and repeat the same process. Like this you will get a beautiful rose. Now make more such rose flowers. Tie it using a thread or you can also use a rubber band. After this we are going to take a tissue paper, crump it and roll it around the rose. Now we are going to cover more it using these papers. Tie a bow at the end and look, it is ready. Let's make these paper boards. So tear this paper, fold it from its sides and then from its diagonals and make a mini square. Open it and again fold it from its sides. Here we are making crease. Finally flip it and fold it into half. Now we are going to do the similar from the other side as well, like we are doing here. Now fold it again, open it gently like this, flip the paper and look, your board is ready. Open it like this, give it shape and look, it's done. In this video we're going to make this mini star and look at the large star. Let's get started. We're going to tear this paper and make this large rectangular shape. Paste all the paper one after another and start folding it like this and make a pentagon shape. Tuck the paper inside, squeeze it from its side and look, your stars are ready. Look at this mini envelope, let's make it. So take a small piece of rectangular shape. Now fold it from its sides and give it a shape of this envelope. Now we're going to make a space for the heart shape and cut it, color it red and look, your envelope is ready. Let's make this beautiful heart with a bow shape. So take this square paper and fold it, make a triangular shape. Again fold it into half, open it. Now we are going to make the heart shape. Before that we are going to give it shape of a bow like this. Flip it. Again we are going to fold it at the center like this. Now we are going to fold it for the bow and press it and look, your bow is ready. Flip it and it's done. We're going to make origami butterfly today. So let's get started. Fold this paper from its diagonals, then again into half, make a triangular shape, flip it and again fold it like this. Fold the paper and give it a shape to the wings and look, your butterfly is ready. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped ring. Let's make it. So tear this paper, fold it into half. Now we are going to fold and make a triangular shape at the starting. Here we are going to make a heart shape. So fold the paper and tuck it inside from both sides like this. Flip the paper. Now we are going to give it more shape like a detail like this and look, your heart is ready. After this we are going to cut the strip of paper and bend it. Look, tuck it inside. Your ring is ready. Look at this beautiful rose ring. Let's make it. So take a small strip of paper, twist it from one side. Here we are going to make a rose flower. So fold it from one corner, twist it and start rolling it like this. Roll it again and again and look, your rose flower is ready. Now we are going to take a mask and remove the wire and roll it in a ring. Now we are going to cover it again using the thread like we are doing here. Cover it and your ring is ready. After this we are going to paste the rose on the top of it and your ring is ready.